Hi lovies, thank you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here on my channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I do have more content coming your way, and I am doing another unboxing, but it's for Adrienne Bailon Houghton. I know she just got married and she's very always reminding us to use her like married last name, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I've loved Adrienne since, you know, even before the Cheetah Girls. I was definitely a 3LW fan. Had their first album. I love their Christmas album. So I've been kind of a stan for a while. And I'm glad she didn't apologize to Notori for how her and Keely treated Notori during their whole, you know, when the group dissolved fiasco. So she has a jewelry line basically called X1, which is basically 1111, and it has some significance. I recently found her channel, her YouTube channel, which I really do like. I love her relationship with her husband. I find her like, you know, like the chatty, fun friend. I like her videos, I like her content, and I also like the jewelry that she wears. Maybe it's the East Coast girl in me, but like I really love, you know, the New York style, you know, what the Dominicans, the Puerto Ricans be wearing. So like I really love those type of jewelries, things that, so I'm making more of a conscious effort to buy jewelry that is long lasting, that are made from like really good materials, and she has nothing but positive reviews on her website about all the jewelry, and I love the fact that the collections all have some type of significance to her. So this is what the box looks like. I've actually had it sitting in my room for a while because I have been just, yeah, I'm kind of a hot mess, but like we're gonna open it. She had a sale a while ago. I think it was Black Friday. Yeah, it was Black Friday, and I got a ring, a necklace, and I think a bracelet. Love the website. It's very easy to navigate. Yeah, very simple. Like I have no real complaints about it. Like if easy to use, there's no, very aesthetically pleasing. I love how cohesive everything is. So yeah, we're gonna jump right in. Oh, okay, so it dropped like individual boxes. Okay, that's cute. Like I said, no, I bought 3 things. Like I said, I bought earrings, a necklace, and rings. Okay, I forgot what the fuck I got. Oh, I definitely did see her YouTube video on the collection and like the packaging, and like I've said on this website, on this channel, I love the packaging. Like there's something about good packaging that just says I'm a decent brand. So this is what it looks like. X1 because she got married on 11/11 to her husband, which I think is cute. And so it says, she dances to the songs in her head, speaks with the rhythm of her heart, and loves from the depths of her soul. She is classic bohemian in this. Look how cute that is. I love personal touches like that. Oh, yes. Are these the rings? I think these are the ring sets that I got. Look how pretty they are. Again, she gets extra brownie points for packaging and just like how pretty and simple. I'm really into stacking my rings, especially when you have your nails done. There's just something very cute or just something very chic about that. So yeah, kudos to Adrienne. Like I'm loving it so far. What was that called? Okay. I will have the names of each item on the screen because at the moment I don't remember their names. I do know this was called the Gem Earring Trio. So basically 3 sets. Look how cute this is. It's very celestial. Front and back. And then it says, love is fulfilled on the warmest of days. The flowers grow taller and the sun shows its rays. Summer is for sunsets and nights under the stars. Summer is within you wherever you are. Okay, that is so cute. That is so precious. These are the earrings, like I said, and I really like them. So I like this because it reminds me of the Eye of Horus, and then the cross because, you know, everyone knows that she is a devout Christian. And these are just some simple gold earrings. I'm in the market for new earrings, and I love how they have like this whole celestial design of like I don't know, very celestial, very like starry, very witchy, but like not too witchy, which I'm here for it. I love that the packaging is super cute. When I was picking, I just picked things that I personally liked. I didn't really, the website is also separated by categories, by the collections. I think I just kind of hit shop all because, you know, teens. And I'm assuming this is the necklace that I'm like excited for because I'm in need of a new necklace. Hopefully this has the name of the rings. I think it will. Yes. Okay, so the rings were the classic bohemian ring set, and then I got the Psalms 139 necklace, and the prices were pretty decent. The ring set was $20.99. The necklace was $20, and the rings were $10. So that's really not bad considering the quality. Yeah. Oh my gosh, she was talking about this on her YouTube channel a while ago. I don't know if it was like a new collection or an old collection, but like how she said she set it up like a book. Like, look how cute that is. Psalms 139. And it is written, I am trying to become more in touch with spirituality, with my, you know, as a Catholic. So I'm really here for this. And then it just has my Bible notes, which I think is so cute. And then, what does this verse mean to me and how will I apply it to my life? Here for it. And then it just has all of Psalm 139. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, the packaging alone. I don't know if you can see this, but it's all the Psalm 139 written. And then the necklace is gorgeous. Gold plated with, I'm assuming, some type of crystals. And on the back it has, oh boy, X1, basically 1111. I love this. She killed it with the personal touches and the looks of everything. I'm excited to wear all of these pieces. I'm definitely going to try to take some photos and just because I feel like they're just going to just photograph beautifully. So basically, I am loving this. I support this 100%. I would definitely recommend Adrienne's brand of jewelry to anyone. Easy to navigate website, beautiful designs. Just, I feel like she goes all out with, you know, the packaging and the, what's the word I'm looking for? The quality of things. And I feel like if you're someone who wants to invest in pieces, I would invest in Adrienne Bailon stuff. I think they're just so cute, and I'm so happy with all the things that I bought, and shipping was not bad. I bought this while I was on the island, so I can't really verify if shipping was slow or bad, or slow or fast. So yeah, definitely recommend it. I really love the necklace. I think that's something that's going to get a lot of use for me, and of course I'm going to take care of them. So yeah, 5 out of 5 for Adrienne Bailon's jewelry line. We love her. I love it. No complaints. Bye, lovies. Hope you have a great day. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for more content. Bye.